still continue to spar over the authenticity of Madan Mitra's video, which Times Now has sourced from his Facebook page right before he deleted it. And there is another opposition bloc leader who continues to join this slander brigade. When asked about rising air pollution, Samajwadi Party leader from UP R.K. Chaudhary has decided to drag all of the things possible. He believes that funeral pyres or cremations and also a possible cause behind air pollution. He has another theory. He is now linked Holika Dahan, a ceremony which is a ritual which is performed just before the festival Holi is actually played. He adds that Holika Dahan is also a reason that adds to air pollution. Even as he is conveniently ignoring when it comes to vehicular pollution, stubble burning and factory emissions, he seems to be involving and dragging faith into it.
कि पूरे देश में लाशें जलाई जाती हैं और लाशें जलती हैं तो कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड निकलता है, कार्बन मोनोऑक्साइड निकलता है और कार्बन जलता है, नहीं ऑक्सीजन जलता है, खपत होती है। ये तो उल्टा हुआ। और हमारा एक त्योहार है होली दहन का। पूरे देश में कम से कम 5 करोड़ स्थानों पे एक साथ होली दहन होता है। उससे कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड निकलता है, ऑक्सीजन निकलता है और नई ऑक्सीजन का खपत होती है, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, कार्बन मोनोऑक्साइड निकलता है, उससे नुकसानदायक है। तो कहीं न कहीं हमारा जो देश है वो पर्यावरण पे बहुत गंभीर नहीं है।
Well, Adeep, what kind of bizarre reasoning is this? If, cremation and Holika Dahan was the reason, then India would never have had clean air.
Well, definitely, Amita, see, when it comes to Samajwadi Party, they are always speaking against Sanatan rituals, and this time Mr. R.K. Chaudhary is speaking against the funeral procession, funeral stuff that which the Hindu religion mostly takes, and he's also talking about the Holika Dahan, that how the Holika Dahan is a main reason for the pollution, but he's forgetting the fact about the vehicular pollution. He's not talking about the stubble burning, and he's not talking about the factories from which the most of the pollution is coming, but he's very conveniently saying that the Holika Dahan and the funerals are the reason behind.
So according to the leader, when it comes to fuel emissions, vehicular emissions is possibly not a reason, stubble burning not a reason, factory emissions not a reason, but cremation of bodies and Holika Dahan is a possible reason behind rising levels of air pollution in the country. Thank you very much for the moment, Adeep, for joining in. We'll get you more political reactions lined up on the other side.